National income. National income is the total value of all final goods and services produced in a country within 1 year period of time. The total value here means that in terms of money, or we can say the total money. We produce different kinds of products like cloth, petrol, and sugar, etc. We sell cloth in meters, petrol in liters, and sugar in kgs. But we will add only the money value of these products, which is called total value. And the final goods and services, we mean that final product price. For example, if we are producing a product, we use three firms. Firm A produce raw materials, firm B produce different spare parts of that products, and firm C join these spare parts and make a product. By selling these products, we can get final product price, which is called final goods and services. And all these calculations occur in a country within specific period of time, which is 1 year. So we can say that national income is the money value of all final goods and services produced in a country within 1 year period of time. Now you may better understand what is a national income. Now let's move towards the concepts of national income. First we have is gross domestic product, the second we have is gross national product, the third one we have is net national product, the fourth one we have is national income, the fifth one we have is personal income, and the last one we have is disposable personal income. We will discuss all the national income concepts in details. First we will study about gross domestic product. GDP is the total money value of all final goods and services produced within a country's border in a specific period of time. Usually it is calculated on a yearly basis. Now in this slide we can better understand what is GDP. Consider this whole diagram as nation 1 and these three as firms of this nation. There are two types of production. One is their own citizens' production and the other one is foreigners' production. So in GDP we not only include citizens' production but also foreigners' production. We do not include those citizens of nation 1 who work in other nations and brought money to their own nation. Most countries use GDP for calculating their national income. The second concept we have is gross national product. Gross national product is the total money value of all final goods and services produced within and outside the country by their citizens. Gross national product is the production of goods and services by their own country's citizens, whether they produce them in their own countries or they produce these goods and services in other countries. For example, in this graph we can see that these are two firms of country 1 citizens and they are producing goods and services in their own country. If these citizens start a firm in country 2 and start producing goods and services, so we will also include this production in gross national product. Net national product (NNP) is the total money value of all final goods and services produced within and outside the country's citizens minus depreciation. Or simply you can say that GNP minus depreciation. If you have any confusion related to GNP, so you can watch my previous video tutorial where I discussed GNP in detail. Depreciation is known as the money which is spent on machinery. This machinery is used in firms and firms are used to produce different goods. So depreciation is all money which is spent on machinery or repairing this machinery which is used for producing more goods. So in a country, net national product is GNP minus depreciation allowance. The next concept of national income is called NI or national income. National income is the total money value of all final goods and services produced in a country within 1 year period of time. In this slide we shall better understand what is national income. The total money value is measured in terms of money, like we sell cloth in meters, petrol in liters, and sugar in kgs. But when we sell these goods in a year, we calculate them in terms of money, We do not add them in kgs, liters, or meters. In national income, we add them all in terms of money value. Now, final goods and services, we mean final product price. What is final product price? For example, we have three firms for producing a product. Firm A produce raw materials, firm B produce spare parts, and firm C produce these products. Firm A produce raw materials for this product, which is used in firm B, and they produced spare parts of this raw material. And firm C rejoined these spare parts and produced the final product. So in national income, we do not add the price of raw materials or spare parts, but we only add the price of final products. And national income in a country is calculated on a yearly basis. So national income is the total money value in terms of money of all final goods and services, which is final product price produced in a country within 1 year period of time. The next concept of national income is personal income. Personal income refers to the income received by the individuals in the form of salaries, bonuses, wages, rent, etc. after getting employed or investing in any business. Simply, we can say that personal income is the money which received by the individuals after completing their job or investing in any business, which includes income, salary, wages, bonuses, and rent from a house. One thing is very important, that in personal income we do not exclude income tax from personal income. We also calculate income tax in personal income. The last concept of national income is personal disposable income. Personal disposable income refers to the income received by the individuals or households after deducting the income tax. After then, this money will be available for consumption. For example, a person have a monthly income of $5,000, which is also called as personal income. But he also pays income tax of $100. So after deducting the income tax, the personal disposable income remains as $4,900. Now this money is available for the consumption purposes, and now this person have 4,900 personal disposable income, and he can buy anything from this money. That was all for our today's lecture of national income and concepts of national income.